FIMI X8 Tele Max camera, new drone review, 30x zoom, night AI, and 20-kilometer range tested. You finally get to that perfect location. Golden hour, sweeping landscape. Your drone lifts off, and within 8 minutes, the signal stutters, the footage looks soft, and the battery warning blinks before you even reach the angle you drove 2 hours to capture. That sharp sting of frustration is very real. And here is the thing. It is not always pilot error. Sometimes the drone simply cannot keep up with the vision in your head. Shaky footage from inadequate stabilization, washed out night shots, and transmission dropouts in wide open terrain are the quiet killers of otherwise brilliant aerial content. If you have ever landed your drone feeling genuinely disappointed in the results, you are absolutely not alone. Does that sound familiar to you? The problem runs deeper than one bad flight. Every time you review footage and see that faint rolling shake, those blown out highlights, or that grainy mess where a clean night cityscape should have been, a little confidence drains away. You start second-guessing your locations. You avoid ambitious shots because your gear has already failed them before. And the range limitation is its own quiet trap. You find a composition that demands distance, and your transmission ceiling says no before your creativity even gets started. Missing the shot that could have defined a reel or a client project is not just frustrating in the moment, it compounds. You edit around limitations instead of working with genuine creative freedom. The gear becomes the bottleneck, and the bottleneck becomes the ceiling on everything you produce. There has to be a smarter, more capable starting point for aerial work. Then everything changed when I discovered what the right platform actually felt like in the field. Don't just pick any camera drone. Make sure it has a dual camera system with genuine 30x hybrid zoom, so you never suffer the gut punch of losing a critical shot because your single lens simply could not reach it again. That is exactly where the FIMI X8 Tele Max camera new drone enters the picture and reframes what a capable aerial platform can realistically deliver. 2 Sony sensors working together, AI-enhanced night processing and transmission built for real distance, not marketing range, actual usable range. This is the drone that quietly closes the gap between ambitious creative vision and what your footage looks like after landing. In the real field use, the FIMI X8 Tele Max camera new drone changes the creative equation entirely. The wide-angle Sony 48 megapixels camera handles sweeping cinematic establishing shots with clarity and confidence. Switch to the 13 megapixels telephoto, and suddenly you are pulling recognizable detail from 2 kilometers away using 30x hybrid zoom. An industry analyst confirmed that Rocklink 5.0 delivers stable 20 kilometers transmission with ultra-low 120 milliseconds latency, which means what you see on the controller screen genuinely matches what the drone is capturing in real time. One verified owner reported identifying specific buildings from over 30 kilometers away at altitude, calling it a workable replacement for premium enterprise drones at roughly 1/10 of the cost. The 3-axis gimbal holds footage smooth through level 6 winds. AI Super Night Video improves the signal-to-noise ratio by 4 times, producing clean, translucent low-light footage that rivals larger sensor systems. The 47-minute flight time with the upgraded battery keeps you in the air long enough to actually work a location properly. Fair question, though. Which matters more to your flying style right now? Zoom range or night performance? The FIMI X8 Tele Max camera new drone is earning genuine respect from creators, hobbyists, and small production teams who need dual camera versatility, honest long-range transmission, and AI-enhanced night video without the premium drone price tag attached. Thousands of pilots are already flying it daily across landscapes, events, and cinematic projects with consistent results, though individual performance will always vary based on conditions and local regulations. If reclaiming creative freedom in the air sounds like the upgrade your workflow deserves, the affiliate link is waiting in the description and pinned comment. Go explore it today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.